In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Typeform notifications in 5 minutes. So you've created a form in Typeform, tailored perfectly to gather the information you need, be it for feedback, registrations, or even quizzes. But what happens when someone fills it out? How do you keep track of each new response without constantly refreshing your dashboard? That's where Typeform's notification feature comes into play. It allows you to receive updates directly via email whenever someone completes your form. Let's dive in and set this up together. First things first, head over to the Typeform website. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're there, you'll need to access your account. Look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Typeform offers various methods to log in, and one of the most convenient ones is signing in with Google. So if you have a Google account, simply click on Continue with Google and follow the prompts. It might take a couple of minutes, so be patient. After you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your form. You can either find it in your dashboard or directly access it through a link if you have one. Upon finding your form, let's delve into the settings where the notifications are managed. Now look for the gear icon. This icon universally symbolizes settings or options. Clicking on it will take you closer to setting up your notifications. In the settings menu, you'll see several options, but for now our focus will be on the follow-ups option. Click on it to explore further. Within the follow-up section, you'll find the option to add trigger. Triggers are essentially conditions that, when met, prompt an action from Typeform. By clicking on Add Trigger, you're moving a step closer to setting up your notification system. After adding a trigger, you need to specify the condition that activates it. Select any full response, which means a notification will be sent anytime someone fully completes your form. This option ensures you're alerted to every new response without fail. Once you've selected the trigger condition, don't forget to hit save. Saving your settings is crucial, otherwise all changes made will not be applied. After ensuring your trigger is set and saved, the next step is to define the action that follows the trigger. In our case, the action we're interested in is receive email notifications. This setting will direct Typeform to send an email notification to your inbox each time the trigger condition is met. Now this is where you start benefiting directly, staying updated effortlessly. To implement this action, click on Add Action and then select Receive Email Notifications from the list of possible actions. This list might have several options, but our goal today is to get those email notifications rolling in. After choosing to receive email notifications, a prompt will guide you through the final steps. This generally involves confirming the email address you wish to receive notifications at, and possibly customizing the message or information you receive. Once you have everything set up as per your preference, click on Continue. The last step is to save all the settings permanently. Look for a Save or a Continue and Save button. This final click ensures all your settings are locked in and active. And that's it. You've successfully set up email notifications for your Typeform form. From now on, every time someone fills out your form completely, you'll get an email notification, keeping you instantly informed. This feature not only helps you to monitor form activity easily, but also enhances your ability to respond promptly to new entries, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Regularly check your email settings to ensure these notifications are not ending up in your spam folder. Also, depending on how many responses you're expecting, you might want to set up a special folder or filter in your email to keep these notifications organized. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to setting up Typeform notifications directly to your email. We hope this makes your data collection process a tad easier and keeps you notified on the go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy form making!